How to fix Facebook location settings. So if you want to fix Facebook location settings, then you can't do that on your Facebook application. You can open up your settings on your device and then go for apps and notifications, and here go for see all apps, and go and find your Facebook and tap on your Facebook, and here go and find your Facebook and simply tap on your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, now here you will have permissions option, tap on permissions, and then here you will have location option, right? Go for location, and here you will have three options. One is allow only while using the application, or ask every time, or don't allow. So if you want to change your location settings, then simply change that from here, and then you can go back. So that's it. That's how you fix your location settings on your Facebook application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.